From selection to installation, the Elmo Rietschle Industrial Central Vacuum Systems make it easy to use complex technology. A true plug-and-play solution that is designed and built in Missouri, this scalable system leverages years of vacuum knowledge plus proven experience in order to provide a reliable, flexible, and easy-to-adopt solution with a modular design that can grow along with you. Our precision smart systems are greater than the sum of their parts. Reliable PLC-driven control systems are at the heart of the central vacuum system. Vane or VLR dry cloths can be configured as duplex, triplex, or quadruplex systems. Simplicity is at the heart of this system, and we ensure that all of our systems are expandable to meet your future needs. Remote and central systems can take the pain out of pump maintenance. Elmo Rietschle's vacuum knowledge is infused with Gardner Denver Systems expertise. All systems can be configured to best utilize space. Tank sizes range from 80 to 240 gallons in volume. We can handle the entire installation process, from project management all the way through to the installation of pumps, pipework, and control systems, as well as commissioning. And we offer a 12-month standard system warranty on all Elmo Rietschle vacuum pumps. Proudly designed and built in Missouri, the state-of-the-art industrial central vacuum systems run quietly, efficiently, and reliably, all in a visually appealing package. And since Elmo Rietschle makes it so easy to adopt and maintain our vacuum system, you can enjoy all the benefits of a high-performance, high-efficiency, turnkey system without any of the difficulty. Get in touch with the Elmo Rietschle team today to discuss how simple it is to add a vacuum system that's ready for any application.